In this video, I'll show you how to quickly add Fresha to your website so clients can book with ease. First, log into your Fresha account and head to the dashboard. From the left menu, click Online Booking, then select Link Builder. Here you can choose whether to link all your services or just specific ones like memberships or gift cards. Once you've made your choice, click Create Link and copy your personalized booking URL. Now go to your website backend or website builder. Let's say Shopify for example. Log into your admin panel, decide where you want client to book, maybe a button or image, and paste your Fresha link there. Finally, test the link to make sure it takes visitors straight to your booking page. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've added Fresha to your website, giving your clients a smooth, professional booking experience.